हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि तितली आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी और योर इंग्लिश। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वर्ड. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज हैप्पी. इट मीन्स खुश. द सेकेंड वर्ड इज ब्यूटिफुल. इट मीन्स सुंदर. The third word is important. It means महत्वपूर्ण. The fourth word is improve. It means सुधारना. The fifth word is listen. It means सुनना. The sixth word is write. It means लिखना. The seventh word is build. It means निर्माण करना. The eighth word is push. It means धकाना. The ninth word is pull. It means खींचना. The 10th word is reach. It means पहुँचना. The 11th word is aware. It means जागरूक. The 12th word is there. It means वहाँ. The 13th word is trust. It means विश्वास. The 14th word is always. It means हमेशा. The 15th word is hang. It means लटकाना. The 16th word is say. It means कहना. The 17th word is snatch. It means छीनना. The 18th word is rent. It means किराया. The 19th word is perhaps. It means शायद. The 20th word is clever. It means चतुर और चालाक. The 21st word is irritate. It means चिढ़ाना. The 22nd word is cruel. It means निर्दयी. The 28th word is domestic. It means घरेलू. 24th word is literally. It means सचमुच. The 25th and last word is coward. It means काया. So guys, thank you for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.